What do Wrigley's Gum, Twitter, and Play-Doh have in common? These are companies that have pivoted their business due to change in the market and have become massively successful. We all know that the market is changing around the world right now. Businesses everywhere are closing their doors. Companies are laying off and furloughing employees to stay afloat. And there will be many more people and businesses that are going to get lost during the upcoming months and years. Now, nobody knows how long this pandemic and the economic fallout will last. But I think we can all agree it's going to be a while and there's going to be some massive changes. See, the current shifts in economies, technology, and even our freedoms will have a massive effect on our lives and our overall well-being. These changes will create two very different groups of people. Those that bury their heads in the sand and think this is a bad dream that will all just go away, and those that recognize the opportunity that flourishes during times of crisis. And they will pivot their business and their skill set and the things that interest them to match the changing needs of the market. You may have heard that more people have become millionaires during the Great Depression than any other time in American history. In fact, a lot of large companies were started during the Great Depression and during other times of economic hardship, including 3M, Adobe, CNN, Chevron, Disney, Exxon Mobil, FedEx, General Electric, Hyatt, IBM, Johnson & Johnson, Kraft Food, Microsoft, O'Reilly Bottles Parts, Southwest Airlines, United Technologies, Urban Outfitters, Valero, and Whole Foods, just to name a few. Now, these companies all started when times were tough, not when things were easy. An economic downturn is a great time to start a business or do something different because startup costs are so much lower in a recession than in boom periods, because inexpensive labor is plentiful, because interest rates are low, and because competition is scarce. Smart people like you and I, the position that sells correctly for when the economic climate improves, we're the ones that really will win. The opportunity is in every crisis. And the deeper the crisis, the better the opportunities can be. See, some people are not capable of seeing it, and that's totally okay. We are not those people. We recognize the market shift and the opportunities that are coming out of this crisis. And we will reap the rewards for our adaptability and our foresight, while so many other businesses are out there struggling. Just remember this. The strategic business decisions and life choices that you make during this unprecedented time will be a defining moment for you in your future. So let me ask, are you ready to pivot? Get started on your new journey today.